Stop coding Figma designs by hand, enter your Figma link, token, and design width. In just 2 to 5 minutes, your front-end draft is ready. We build the draft, you build the product. Responsive typography and spacing are generated automatically. Some elements are already prepared for responsive behavior. I'll remove the fixed height and let the layout adjust automatically. The draft automatically creates flex containers where needed. Let's copy styles. Click Copy Styles and select the elements. Now all 3 elements look identical and use the same class. Let's move shared styles into a common class and keep unique styles in modifier classes. Select similar elements and create a new shared class. In the DOM tree, you can see the shared card class followed by its modifier class. In the browser styles, the shared class contains all common styles. The modifier contains only the black background color. When you're done, download your updated HTML and CSS files. Let's see what we got. An assets folder, an images folder, fonts.css, index.html, and style.css. Start your next front-end project with divdeck.com. Save time, keep control.